Good morning. Today is 21st June 2016. Now it is 11 a.m. and we are looking at Nifty market, how the market has played up to now. The world market yesterday and today opened with a great positive. So it was expected that Nifty may move in the positive direction. But what we are seeing just in the start of the market, uh, the started moving on. So when uh, when there was yesterday's high level, when it went down, so it was possible that the Nifty may find support at the next support level, that was 8216, and it did actually find support here, and we got two trades here, one this and one this. So it was not big trades, but still there was an acceptance in market that the market would hold and we could have taken a trade here. Why this is our assumption and why we are taking this even after seeing this big uh, bear candles. So the reason for that is the market, Indian market, are highly correlated with the world market, and what we are seeing in the world market is all market with positives, and there was positive news in the market that this is it uh, will not be possible, or the vote percentage were favor of in, and what economy was favoring in the positive direction was big exit in direction. So that's why the market yesterday moved with a positive momentum, and today also the same. We have seen some. You could say that this is a place there was some profit taking, but again and again we are seeing the buying is coming here whenever there are dips in market. So we have to look forward for that, because if you look at the market how it is laid down in the 3 days, on Thursday, on Friday, yesterday also. So it was giving a positive direction. So we should have looked for positive trade. Today, uh, taking trade on uh, downward direction was very difficult, because uh, there is a big probability that you may not get big profit, and even if it is there, you cannot be certain up to 60% probability that the trade will be profitable, because according to direction, market may anytime go in the upward direction from the bottoms, you can say, but there is still a chance that it will go up. Now we look at the 1 minute chart, and on 1 minute chart you can say that you could have taken a trade in uh, this this downward trade, but it was very consciously difficult trade, because at 1 minute chart we have seen at the starting it finds support here, so there was a possibility that may have gone up from this direction, but since we have seen some profit taking in Indian market, and that's why it moved to next level, but on this level buying is coming again here. Yeah. So this was the first trade you could have taken, and again at the same level, on the same range, you could have taken it, because the even if the bars are showing that is going in downward direction, so where could we have taken a trade, because there is still possibility that after seeing these three bars you could tell that the downward pressure is very good, and there is a good chance that it might break this level and went to the next level, but the probability was there was very less. So what you could have done is you have to wait for this after this downward direction when the market started to move up again. Then it's then you are in clear that after this bar, this second bar, you were in clear that the downward direction movement of this CDF and it was in our support zone, and you could have taken a trade at here to this and taken a profit at this point, because there were possibilities that it could not break, or it could have also broken this level at any time. But still, taking continuous profit is always good, because as you can see, the market is in tandem. So whenever possible, taking profit is always good idea. So this one trade, and again we are seeing uh, some downward pressure. So what do we feel something different in this downward direction than these previous moves? You can say that there is good amount of downward pressure here. At the same time, when we look at the 5-minute chart for Nifty spot market, we can see that the downward bars are forming here. So if you want to take a trade in the upper direction, now is not the time. You have to wait that it will fall to this level, or even if it doesn't fall up to this level, you have to buy when it starts to get moving in direction with a positive output like this. So there was a positive outlook where what we should have to look, because in that way only positive direction can take place. If you look at this, and suppose if you see the market uh, form continuously this small doji up to for the next 5-10 minutes, for the next 5-10 bars on 1 minute chart, we might see the downward move, because positive the downward direction is getting a positive momentum, but it is less probability that from here we'll see a good amount of sideways movement on this short bars. So we have to look how the market takes this. Mhm. The same trades on Nifty futures that you would actually want this location and from this bar. So these two trades are there. Now if we are looking at here, if if we can actually get some trade here, because to get an upper direction you need to have this type of formation, and only then that is possible when the market is forming. When the market is moving sideways, can go in the direction. So thank you for watching. Thanks.